This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming merchant ID and gateway credentials, then add the Google Pay SDK to your app or website. Next, implement the Google Pay button UI and set allowed card networks and allowed auth methods so users see compatible options. Once done, configure merchant info with your merchant ID and display name so Google can prefill data correctly. Make sure to use the testing environment to avoid live charges while you develop. This lets you iterate quickly without impacting customers. Now build the payment data request JSON, include transaction info, currency code, total price status, total price, card requirements, and a tokenization spec that points to your gateway. For testing, keep tokenization spec set to example. For production, swap to payment gateway with your gateway params. Then implement the client-side callbacks on payment authorized or on activity result to receive the payment token. Once you get a token, immediately send it to your server to create the actual charge. The client should never complete sensitive processing alone. Finish by performing full end-to-end tests. Use Google Pay test cards, validate the return token, and confirm your processor can charge it. Once tests pass, switch the SDK environment to production and update tokenization spec with live gateway credentials and your merchant ID. Make sure to monitor transactions and reconcile settlements daily. If something goes wrong, check server logs for token parsing errors, verify gateway credentials, and retry with detailed logs. This single troubleshooting step resolves most integration failures quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.